guys? It's your girl tonight, Chy'Keria, back with another mother freaking what? Video. So today, this video consists of... Huh? I can't hear you. No, I'm just playing. Today, this video consists of basically me baking cookies. Really just trying something new in 2026. So, I'm not going to tell y'all what cookies I'm making just yet. But, y'all will catch on when I start buying stuff. Well, actually, I'll just go ahead and tell y'all. I'm making s'mores cookies. And you can't go wrong with some s'mores, boo. So, we're finna go do that right now. And, yeah, this is my first time baking cookies. And, yeah, so bear with me. Me and my dad finna go to the store and I'm finna get the ingredients. Oh, I look a little ashy. Okay, anyways, let's go. Hello. Yeah, so I made it back home from the store. And I got this parchment paper, this, and this. So we're gonna make these s'mores cookies right now. The oven is already preheated to 350. And I got my pan. And I got this little mitten that a parent gave me at the daycare. It's so cute for the holidays. I ain't never used it, so we finna use it, even though Christmas over. So, do that. Oh yeah, I already washed my hands. So, okay, y'all, so I got the graham crackers on the pan. Now we are finna put the chocolate on the graham crackers. So we're finna do that now. I'm gonna speed up this process so y'all won't, have to just look at it in slow motion. Slow motion. Actually, I'm probably not, because y'all might enjoy it. Okay, y'all, so I got the chocolate on the graham crackers, and that's how they look. The chocolate I was trying to put it apart, but then it kept breaking a little bit, so I still used the little pieces that was breaking and put it on there. But now we are finna do the marshmallows. So as right now, if y'all don't understand what I'm doing the filling of the cookie before I do the cookie dough. So the chocolate is the part of the filling, obviously. So now I got the big marshmallows. So we're finna put that on the cookie, as y'all can see. Mm, Let me move y'all over here so y'all can see. Hold on. Y'all should be able to see. Y'all, I did something wrong. But you know what? We finna use another pan. That was one thing I forgot to do, y'all, was put the parchment paper on the pan. So I'm gonna use another pan with the paper on it. And I'm just put the cookies on here. Okay, so I ended up having to fix it and put the parchment paper on there because I forgot, but the cookies are on there now. So the next thing I gotta do is the cookie dough. Then I just basically wrap the cookie dough around the marshmallow and the chocolate because that's the filling. Hey, I guess I got the hang of it a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all bakers for real, don't judge. Don't judge. First time. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so the girl said that she used the two squares of cookie dough, and I guess she rolled it up and then flattened it out. Yeah, I hope I'm doing this right. Yeah, I hope I'm doing it right because this cookie, I'm not gonna touch it, but it is wrapped around the filling. So, yeah. I don't know if the cookie dough is a little too, so I don't know. Mm-mm. Now I gotta do the rest of them like that, so I'm gonna just be able to process. Okay, y'all. So I think the cookie dough is supposed to be this flat. That's what she said. So, Shmi, get Jay. Hold on. Okay, guys, so I was struggling with the first couple, but the last one was mainly easy. I got all the filling covered up with chocolate chip dough. Now I'm gonna put my midi on and put this in the oven and let it bake for 13 minutes. Cause that's what the lady said on TikTok. Ooh, ooh, wait a minute, y'all. Let me get it to looking nice. Actually, I need to record something before I do that. So hold on, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with a better view before I put it in the oven. So, yeah. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 13 minutes and we're gonna let it bake. It was already on preheat on 350 and it is now ready. So we're gonna put it in. Oh, I want it to go. No, 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 no. So the cookies are in the oven. Now we're gonna let them bake for 13 minutes and I will be back with y'all when they are done. Okay, y'all, so we finna take it out now. And I was glancing into y'all. It is not the best, but we're just gonna try again. It's okay if you're a baker, don't come for me. We do not judge over here. Let me grab some of this cream.
Look, you need to hold it for me. You need to hold it. Back here, I have to check it over there. Never seen chick cookies?
It did not come out too cute. Well, they ain't come out as bad. Not all of them. It's just these three. That's really nope. Okay, y'all. So most of them came out cute, and some just are very sloppy. And I think it's because I got the big marshmallow. I think I should have did the little ones, but everybody was doing the big ones, so I was trying to do the big ones. But like, this is how it look. I'm finna show y'all a better view. Hold on. Okay, guys. So I took them out the oven and I let them sit and cool, and this is how it came out. Did the little decoration, and it's about like 3 cookies that I don't really like, and I see what I need to fix the shaping and not overdoing the cookie dough and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give y'all a closer look with a better view. And yeah. Okay, y'all. So like I said, I'm not a baker, so I'm just trying to learn. So this is just trial and error, but these are the final touches. So yeah, now we're gonna do a taste test. Y'all, presentation might not look as well, but these cookies is good, y'all. I'm gonna let everybody else taste it. And yeah. Okay, guys, so I let my auntie and my little cousin try, and they said it is good, and it tastes good. The only thing I need to work on is shaping, so we are gonna aim for that next video. But y'all asked for this video, and I'm giving it to y'all. So now I gotta let my dad try, my grandpa, my grandma, and my little cousin, my other little cousin, and yeah. So
this is a taste test. My daughter over here made us some s'mores cookies. Trust me, I already know. I'm speaking it to existence and to reality. This right here is gonna be a masterpiece in creation. So I'm gonna taste it. But right now, you need to know she's in training right now. Trust me, it's gonna get greater later.
cause I swear y'all don't come over here and touch the stove.
At all. She really don't be cooking like that. but she will get in there and cook or bake. I just want a piece of one.
Just get a whole one.
I don't know if I'm gonna get a whole one.
I will get that one. Yeah, he getting the one that's kind of messed up, but that's good.
Look at this, you all.
That's not a cute psych one, y'all.
This s'mores. It looks good. All right, you ready?
I'm ready. I ate mine.
Right. Oh, and my sister said that it really tastes good. My nephew said it tastes good. Is my niece over there taking it?
No, she ain't here.
Oh, she not here.
Don't eat it over the thing.
All right. Here we go.
You gotta put your hand up on it.
Now, here we go.
Be real. Honest review. Honest review. Who's being dramatic?
Hey, listen. Bring your head down. It tastes amazing. No lie. Gooey. Marshmallow.
Yep.
Chocolate on a graham cracker. With cookie dough. Can't go wrong. For my next bite.
Dang. Y'all, this is good.
Busting.
That's good. Ryan, how you like the cookie? I can tell. Look at all that. What you rated? Once on a scale of 1 to 10.
1,000.
1,000.
1,000. Oh, he said 1,000. Nephew.
Wait, say it again.
This is my nephew. This is my nephew Ryan. He just did a taste test for Sanaya's creation, her cookies, her s'mores cookie. We asked him on a rating from 1 to 10, how did the cookie taste? And you know what Ryan said? Ryan said it was a what?
1,000.
It was a 1,000. Give him a thumbs up. Thumbs up. There you go. Thank you, Sanaya.
So as y'all can see, Ala enjoys it. How you like it, Ala?
Yeah.
I tried, y'all, but this is my first time baking. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share to your friends, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we're going to do a part 2 to this. And we're going to try this again because I know I can do better. So we're going to make it better.
I swear I'm feeling great. All y'all lame niggas ain't the way. I swear my life ain't great, but it's getting better.